Today we are discussing how standardized recipes are developed. If a restaurant is already serving a menu item and they must create a standardized recipe, a process must be followed to establish the recipe. First, a manager observes the cook preparing the item. They write up a draft considering preparation details. Next, several key employees should review the recipe, prepare the item, and revise the recipe until the involved team members agree that the standardized recipe is correct. Finally, the recipe should be implemented across the whole team and/or brand and consistently used. If a restaurant is creating a standardized recipe for a new item, a different approach is used. First, recipe alternatives should be collected. That is, other items that might be served instead of the proposed items should be evaluated as well. Next, a rating scale must be developed to assess if the proposed items will be well received. Finally, a taste test panel will be used to evaluate the recipes. The recipe with top marks should then be considered against other operating concerns. Can this item be served consistently to each guest? Does this item meet our food cost goals? What other considerations need to be taken to add this item to the menu? If you're able to answer each of these questions favorably, the item should be added to the menu and the standardized recipe should be fine-tuned and implemented for use throughout the brand.